Attending po kami na graduation ni Paki. Ano masasabi mo, Ki? Ano masasabi mo? Ready na kami. Ready na kami sa line. Okay.
Mr. Charles Santos Ventura, LPEMBA.
And our families. Father, we humbly ask for forgiveness for all the times you have offended you. Continue to guide and protect us, Lord. Bestow upon us your unending grace and healing, that we may in turn become instruments of gentleness and compassion to others.
by virtue of the authority vested upon me by the Department of Education of the Republic of the Philippines. As a school president of Global Meeting House School of Zamboanga, I hereby declare you graduates of Global Meeting House School of Zamboanga Senior High School, and therefore you are entitled to receive senior high school certificates of graduation and enjoy whatever benefits appertaining thereto. Congratulations, batch of 2025.
May call once again our beloved school president, Dr. Romeo Ilagaya, for his inspirational message. Let's give him our own applause, please.
Adios. Blissful afternoon, parents, guardians, visitors, students, our guest speaker, Dr. Titus Nambaba, our doctors, Attorney Lakbao, teaching and non-teaching staff, good afternoon. I have 3 emphases for you graduates. First, the roots of education are bitter, but the fruit is sweet by Aristotle. The roots of education, actually going to school, studying lots of subjects that are very hard, making your grades great. You always give your best. Are bitter. Yung bitter is mapakla. And tiring. The fruits are sweet, meaning that education will take you to the right path. So this time, our students in our institution, Global Technical School in Zamboanga, there are different kinds of student. First is that meron dito nagtitinda ng mga gulay. Meron dito construction workers. Meron dito magbubuti, magbabakan. Meron dito face vendor. And this time, I'm very happy. You made it. Teachers, thank you very much for helping our graduates. Our professors, thank you very much. Because you are also meeting with value them. Second is that education is not preparation for life, but education is life itself by John Dewey. Emphasizes that education is continuous, integral part of living, not just means of to an end or future preparation. Continuous schooling. Yung sabi pa, sir, wala kaming pera, you find ways. Because me, I also suffered with like what you have now this time. I was also a working student from LaSalle University. And then I was also working, parang nagtitinda sa department store. So after mga 9 o'clock, and then 10 to 11 study, and then at 4 o'clock, balik naman, 4 o'clock in the morning, report to where I work that time. So, be hopeful and be positive outlook. Build, if you cannot, example, after graduation, you cannot go to school, build a business. For you can create also jobs for our less fortunate people, or those who are looking for a job. Third is that the beautiful thing about learning is nobody can take it away from you. Because that is yours. You strive a lot. Because that is your future. You don't have land title, but a college degree in the near future can suffice. Beauty will fade away. Fame will fade away. But achievement does not. As I said, while you are still young, you strive well. Because first, you are young. And then, there are so many opportunities. The Global Technical School of Zamboanga is also very happy that you continue schooling and then graduate now this time. So I hope that you will continue your college education, because that's your sword, that is your ability that you can change your poverty cycle. So it's time to be positive outlook and strive hard, because that is the best sword for you to fight the poverty. Mabuhay, congratulations.
Taking it very well. At the beginning, they were praying and they were just hoping that everything will fall into place. The audience were impressed about what they have done. They received 5 standing ovations and a lot of enthusiastic applauses. The teacher again said, "Well done, congratulations, you did your part so well." The teacher gave them